The magic wand which converts the written text into GenAI tools is the ability to convert words into numbers. Now, how do you do that? That technology or that method is sometimes referred to as word vectors, bag of words, tokenization, TF-IDF. The goal of all these techniques, all these machine learning ideas is just to convert the written text like a dog, cat, tiger, ink, pen into some kind of a numeric representation. And the most sophisticated numeric representation is a word vector. So a word vector should be denoting all the properties of a word. So think of a word like a pen and think of a word like a pencil. So pen and pencil ideally must come very near to each other if a good way of word vectorization is done. And think, for example, human and let's say God. And I would assume that human and God are slightly away from each other in a word vector representation. And you can keep on having these ideas. The moment I want to understand where that word lies, I need to understand its meaning, its context. So the traditional techniques all started with, if you have a document, what is the word frequency? Now word frequency does not mean much because a word like the or a or an could occur a lot number of times, but they might not mean anything substantial. So you have to understand that just counting the number of words is not important. You also have to understand the context. How important is this word in this particular document? And this very idea that if mixed all together into word vectors and fed into transformers, an advanced form of deep learning model, gives you our new age LLM model, large language models. And these large language models are essentially a part of the GenAI toolkit which we have these days. So the next time you are looking across the chatbot window which you have, think about all the words there are on the internet. All those words are changed to word vectors, and then those word vectors are fed into some kind of a deep neural network, and that deep neural network then gives you that what should be the answer to this particular chat prompt, or rather the chat GPT prompt which you have given.